I have always enjoyed mosaic work. I'd work on tables, pots, bird baths, and creative work takes motivation, concentration. And when I started to lack both of these, I knew something wasn't right because I couldn't do the same things as well as I used to be able to. My CPAP treatment, became like a routine. Once it did, my sleep and my health just got better and better. I was able to do more things, and the main thing, I got my confidence back. I'm Pamela, and I've been getting great sleep since 2001.
Adding to the ResMed Air Solutions female-focused offering is a range of new masks designed with you in mind. Available in nasal pillows, nasal masks, and full face masks, the Air Fit for Her series is customized for women. With minimalist frames, flexible headgear, and smaller cushion sizes, Air Fit for Her masks address the unique sizing needs of women and make wearing a mask as discreet as possible. The soft headgear design also accommodates a variety of hairstyles, so you can wear your hair under or over the headgear strap for comfort and style. ResMed Air Solutions, personalizing the sleep therapy journey just for you.
More and more hospitals are expanding their central OR departments to include a modern hybrid OR. In order to ensure smooth interactions between the technology, the equipment, and the OR team, the room structure and workflows all need to be perfectly coordinated. McKay has more than 15 years of experience in designing and creating hybrid ORs. Our project team supports you from the important on-site planning phase through to daily utilization of your hybrid OR. With the simulation software OR 3D, the future hybrid OR can be mapped virtually. VariOp, McKay's modular room system, is specifically designed with complex OR requirements in mind, both in new construction and renovation projects. Wall, ceiling, and installation elements can be installed quickly and can be adapted to new requirements at any time. All of the details meet the high-quality standards for surgical workplaces. The McKay Hybrid OR can be used for new, diverse treatment methods in nearly every surgical discipline. The hybrid OR's applications can also be expanded, for instance with Magnus, the flexible operating table system. In addition to extreme adjustment and working radius for ideal intraoperative radiolucency and flexible patient access, Magnus offers a unique range of tabletops and accessories. With its easily exchanged modules and attachments, as well as its maximum tilt and Trendelenburg, the operating table system can also provide the ideal configuration options for many surgical procedures, from cardiac and vascular surgeries to neurosurgery, traumatology, and orthopedics. Another key benefit of Magnus, the operating table system is perfectly designed for tasks in a hybrid OR. From moving patients with special transfer boards for MRIs and CTs to its 360-degree X-ray capable tabletop for angiography, Magnus is designed to be suitable for every image-guided procedure. A joystick controller is installed in the table to assist in allowing the tabletop to be precisely positioned. The OR table is fully integrated with the angiography systems and can be moved synchronously with the equipment using linked operations for excellent results in cardiac and vascular surgery, as well as interventional cardiovascular and neurovascular procedures. In addition to angiography solutions like the Artis Zigo and Artis Q sealing systems, it supports other imaging processes like MRI and CT scanners from Siemens Healthcare. Hospitals and clinics worldwide trust McKay when it comes to hybrid ORs that are flexible, efficient, and future-proof. Why? Because McKay offers experience, equipment, and comprehensive service from a single source. From project management and perfectly coordinated equipment to a fully integrated operating table system.
Introducing Modu-Evo, the highly advanced sealing supply unit from Getinge that offers the future-proof flexibility to easily adapt to complex new procedures and therapies conducted with next-generation equipment in the traditional and hybrid OR, as well as the evolving ICU and ED. Modu-Evo is purpose-designed to help you avoid the clinical, operational, and financial risks associated with the deployment of a sealing supply unit, to facilitate provider-patient interactions, especially wherever space is at a premium, and do so with extraordinary simplicity that supports effortless positioning and movements, as well as easy-to-implement customization. Getinge understands that in a patient-focused environment, your professional staff doesn't have a moment to spare to give a second thought to the equipment and devices they're using. And with Modu-Evo in the room, they'll rarely have to. That's because Getinge has created the industry's most flexible and upgradable sealing supply unit, offering significant performance, productivity, and risk management advantages. Here are just some of the ways ModuEvo's future-proof design can meet your requirements and expectations today and well into the future. Thanks to ModuEvo's easy grab and move positioning, clinicians simply grab the handle and let advanced human touch sensing technology automatically release the unit's brakes to help speed repositioning in rapid response situations with minimal physical effort and smooth, highly controlled movements. When the sensing handles are released, the brakes automatically re-engage to a lock status. With ModuEvo, there are no icons, symbols, or colors to remember or forget. Simply grab and move it. ModuEvo also features an advanced electromagnetic braking system option that operates in near silence to help reduce the incidence of patient anxiety that often accompanies unexpected noises in the ICU, ER, or recovery room. In addition, electromagnetic brakes require minimal maintenance, reducing the cost of ownership over the extended life of the sealing supply unit. Electromagnetic brakes also reduce installation cost by eliminating the need to provide compressed air to each sealing supply unit. What's more, ModuEvo incorporates Getinge's exclusive ergonomic positioning system that lets you easily and quickly attach and position any component or accessory, even brake handles requiring a power supply, without constraint on any mounting position on the distributor at any selected height. As a result, ModuEvo accommodates the widest range of staff preferences, workflow requirements, and room configurations. Just as importantly, workstation elements can be upgraded, repositioned, or reconfigured in a matter of minutes using a common 5mm Allen wrench, with minimal disruption to existing workflows. No unbolting and repositioning of internal mounting plates is required. Neither is the need to cut and install replacement covers. In addition, all distributor gas lines and electrical conduits are fully enclosed within the system to eliminate floor clutter and safety concerns. Plus, cording cable management options help eliminate equipment clutter while further simplifying maintenance. ModuEvo's innovative system of soft glow ambient lighting provides a non-disrupting, low-light environment for the convalescing ICU patient, while ensuring ample illumination for caregivers working in the room. OR ambient lighting reduces distracting glare during MIS and other procedures conducted in low-light conditions. In addition, optional ceiling lights, side panel lights, and floor lights can be selectively activated and controlled based on the procedure or patient situation. Also keep in mind that ModuEvo provides an extra measure of flexibility to position essential equipment and utilities as close to the patient as possible, regardless of procedure or room layout, including convenient drawer cabinets. These custom-tailored workstation solutions are available in a choice of 3 vertical distributor models to precisely meet your current requirements while anticipating the inevitable need for change. The fact is, in every metric of evaluation, load capacity, arm reach, distributor maneuverability, safety, upgradability, and value, ModuEvo meets and often exceeds the capabilities of competitive sealing supply units. McKay ModuEvo sealing supply units. Extraordinarily simple.
For many years, mechanical ventilation has been about providing life support. But we've seen in recent years that ventilation can be so much more. We know that your choice of ventilation therapy can impact patient outcome. Unfortunately, this has also made ventilation increasingly complex. You need to interpret patient data and to act accordingly. It requires your time and training, but the ICU is a complex area with lots of devices that compete for your attention, and time is limited. That's why we wanted to create a ventilator that requires a minimal amount of training to use. A ventilator that empowers you, at bedside, every step of the way. The Servo-U is all touch, and the screen helps you focus on the important things while keeping functions not often used out of your way. Menu takes you directly to what you need, carefully visualizing what you are doing. More importantly, the decision support you get during ventilation has never been more intuitive. On-screen tutorials are available to help you choose between ventilation modes. Servo-U reminds you of things to do and even provides recommendations of possible actions to perform. And when you adjust settings, illustrations help visualize the effects of those changes. We also made some interactions potentially safer by requiring more from you when changing certain settings. Studying clinicians at work has taught us that successful ventilation therapy involves the whole team. It's about you being able to utilize the full potential of the ventilator. Adapting the tidal volume to the patient's lung is one example. Servo-U automatically calculates milliliter per kilogram of predicted body weight, supporting the ARDS-NET strategy. It is measured and trended over time, helping you make informed decisions. And if needed, trends are easily shared with your colleagues. Another example is Neurally Adjusted Ventilatory Assist, or NAVA. While other ventilation modes measure the pneumatic response, NAVA measures the physiological response through the electrical signal of the diaphragm. However, the difference of NAVA is also a challenge because it totally changes the way you experience ventilation. To make adaptation as easy as possible, we provide you with a NAVA therapeutic workflow. Servo-U automates calculations and helps you position the EDI catheter and to keep it in place. The ventilator also enables you to monitor the electrical signal of the diaphragm. We are just starting to understand the benefits of seeing this signal, which has the potential to provide you with decision support. It adds an objective value that helps you monitor the breathing drive. For example, during spontaneous breathing trials and post-extubation. Some doctors are already calling it the respiratory vital sign of breathing. We all know that ventilator alarms are both a necessity and a nuisance. We have tried to reduce these by allowing you to manage alarms more effectively. Short texts help you respond to alarms. Highlights guide your attention, and shortcuts instantly lead you to the settings you need to adjust. Managing alarms on a servo ventilator has never been easier. Different views help you tailor the ventilator to show the settings you need. A distance view and a family view help you tailor the machine to the care environment. The ease of interaction is not limited to the screen alone. Every detail is carefully designed, making the ventilator flexible and easy to use. Any side becomes the patient side. Even the internal aspects are designed with remarkable precision, so that maintenance can access the machine for easy service. Purchasing a ventilator is a significant investment, and you want to be confident with your choice. That is why Servo-U is also designed to grow with you. Configure according to your current needs and upgrade cost-effectively when those needs change, or when new features become available. The servo ventilator family has a history of being groundbreaking. Servo U is no different. It's definitely the best ventilator we have ever built. And physicians, respiratory therapists, nurses, and biomeds from all over the world helped us get there. If you haven't tried Servo U yet, please do. We believe it will forever change the way you look at life-supporting devices.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.